Hello again and welcome back to the Life's a Feast kitchen. It's summer in Australia and who doesn't like a beautiful fresh salad to accompany their meal? So rather than buy a bottled salad dressing, I'm going to teach you today how to make your own beautiful vinaigrette. So it's really simple, tastes so much better than those horrible pre-bought dressings that you buy in a supermarket, and it's also a lot healthier for you too, and it will literally take you 1 minute. Okay, so the basic recipe for a vinaigrette or a salad dressing is 3 parts oil to 1 part acid. So the acid could be vinegar, could be lemon juice, lime juice, orange juice, and then on top of that, then we add our seasonings. So that could be salt, pepper, mustard, fresh herbs, garlic, ginger, lemon zest, whatever you like really. Just play around with the combinations. So I'm going to show you how it's done. This is going to be a really basic one today. Alright, so it's 3 parts oil. So, in this case I'm going to use a good extra virgin olive oil, but you could also use macadamia oil, avocado oil, walnut oil, whatever you feel like. Any oil will be beautiful. Okay, so extra virgin olive oil, 3 parts. So you can either measure it out if you like to be precise, or you can just pour it in your jar. So I'm just going to pour it in my jar today. Alrighty, so that's our 3 parts oil. We're going to use 1 part vinegar. So today I've got a beautiful aged balsamic. As I said, you could also use citrus juice or other sorts of vinegars like raspberry vinegar is lovely, or white vinegar, cider vinegar. Alright, so just measure it out. So you've got about 1 part vinegar in this case, and 3 parts oil. Okay, and then we're just going to season it with some sea salts. Okay, a couple of pinches of lovely Australian Murray River sea salt and some freshly ground pepper. Alright, and so all you need to do, so simple, is just have it in a screw top jar, give it a good shake. Alright, now that'll keep in the fridge for at least a couple of days, so don't dress your salad until you're ready to serve it. If you dress your salad too much ahead of time, your leaves will get all soggy and horrible. So you can make your salad dressing ahead of time, store it in the fridge, and then when you're ready to serve, pour your dressing on your salad, just enough so it gives the leaves a nice even coating, and then just give it a good toss either with your hands or with some salad servers. So there you go. I hope you enjoyed today's cooking tip. You won't be buying any of those horrible bottled salad dressings anymore, will you? So I hope to see you next time. Happy cooking, and remember, life's a feast.